Hey guys, Asterisk with the Zero here, and hopefully the lighting does not want to bother me again. Alright, Jesse, you're still making your decision? Is it that hard to choose between Kanto Pokemon? I mean, obviously choose Charmander. Alright. Go to. Of course, the only one that has purpose. What are those? No, I'm just joking. I won't. It's alright. You know, I'll just do a recap. Right, in the last episode, we arrived at Anyway City. Was that the episode before? I forgot. Alright, well, the thing is that, well, we got our Kanto starter, which is a Bulbasaur. And I would have chose Charmander, but of course I decided to go with you. Still, I wonder what kind of people that sent Sandra. Like blah 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 boring stuff. No one likes boring stuff, so there's a foot to water chicken, so I'll see you around. And by the way, guys, sorry for not posting the series as often. I mean, there is some people who are coming to my channel, subscribing just to watch this series. So I just want to make this word common, but for anyone who is here for this series, I did an update video stating that I was having uploading problems with 10-minute long videos, so I couldn't post them easily, and every single episode of the series is over 10 minutes, so yeah. Alright, and just so everyone can catch up, I don't do this every episode, so my team as of now, so I didn't need to grinding. Alright, because I was thinking about grinding Chloe up to level 10, but I just realized I didn't really care as much, so what is the character called? There is. Can you come here for a second? Okay. Most of them. Oh, it's Sandra. Is that Diantha? Just so you know, neighbor. My Sandra is blah 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 blah. Seriously, so many blahs. But so blah 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 blah. Music stuff. Blah blah. Beautifulness. Blah blah. Older stuff. Blah blah. Movie. Blah blah. Beautiful. Blah blah. Lysandre's evil spoilers. This is what you get for not playing X or Y. I mean, you have yourself to blame. Right. And Taylor's staring. And who are you two? Right? Blah, blah, blah. Blah. I put my... You better like word. I'm not good there. Oh, that's right. I forgot to ask you that. If you like eat blah 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 neighbors blah, you won't lose, but you will. You know, I have a random feeling that someone's gonna buy this episode. I'm just saying. Follow the clip, proceed. No, please kill it before it lays eggs. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. It's a ghost. Kill it. Well, you know, I'm gonna try Rexa, so I'm just gonna put it. Yeah, it's good. Easy way out. So, I mean, if you know the technique. Alright, so let's just stop doing these cutscenes and just get into actual stuff, because I mean, oh no. Hello? Oh no! No! Cloud Clowns! Oh, kill it! Kill it! Kill it! He should have been powerless! Oh, what are those? Oh, power! Seriously, if you've seen that cutscene in ORAS, I mean, it wasn't really a cutscene. It's post game. I'll just say it's the weirdest thing I've ever seen in a Pokemon game. It probably is the weirdest thing. Heck for you Gen 1ers watching. It's probably weirder than that part where you rub that person's back. Thanks. Blah blah blah. Blah. I have to think of a title, so alright. So let's just randomly skate so I can think of a title. You know, let's just go ahead and get one. That shall be on. Come on. There you go. And it's a Bobby. AKA pathetic excuse for getting a far-fetched in Sand City. Seriously, that's the only thing I find Bobby useful for in this game. And the first one is the Rock Gym. I don't even care for saying fate. Oh darn, why did I use it? Wait, watch this. Allow it's brainless. Oh, never mind, now it's 4.4. Whip that bunny. Whip the rabbit. Now mommy whip. Mommy nana. Alright. You know, I'm not, I'm sure name it Bugs. Because, you know, heaven. I mean, it's technically not heaven, but whatever. What did not? Oh, people say like 2 peas in a pod. They like to have some room. And you're also the 2 people that are gonna get defeated by me. So I am good. School. I'm gonna need to switch line out. Oh, it's bright. I'm gonna retweet both these. And Sprite, you need to get out there. This. And, I'm switching water type out for water type, but hey, that takes a while. Okay. Big heat. Point out boost. Alright. Start an attack. Alright, so why not get that? Alright, so what's our pulse? Our life is fast. Stop attacking Yo-Yo Cake! Oh, I just realized it's starting. daughters versus my gods. Actually, I got an idea. Like, can I even shift? Yeah, I'm gonna quick attack because they're too fast. Why are you so fast? Quick attack you. Alright. And a lot of XP. It's probably gonna level for doing absolutely nothing. Sure swipes, let's see if actually does. No, you shall not focus. Now do the naming more. Please, I cannot do enough naming. Now what we have? Oh, well, that's not be the title. Got it. It has title now. Finally, blue dice. Let's get into another level. My poison powder seems legit considering. I will never use tackle. Tackle and poison powder. Sweet powder. Let me try this song. Let me guess, you can use spore powder. Never mind. Stand corrected. Much say. Yep, so bright is so lazy. And finally, flowy. Finally, faith and joy. Alright. Doing a tough evolution. Just gonna do it. And of course it had some seizures, and now it was Titidius. Oh yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end the episode here. Once again, sorry for the lack of stuff, but okay. See you guys next time. Peace out.